Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making the notebook labels. For that, color the ice cream sticks and paste it on the piece of paper. Next, take the another sheet and cut it into a cloud shape. And you can outline this with your own designs. After drawing the border, write name, class, section, roll number, subject and school. Here I am filling the border with yellow color. And paste this cloud cutout on this sheet. Now add the double-sided tape and stick this label to your notebook. Now our beautiful label is ready. Make the next label. I am taking the sticky note and pasting on the notebook. After pasting it, give it an outline. Draw the pattern as I am drawing. Then list out the details. If you guys like my video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.